and welcome back to another delicious episode of Shelly's Homemade. And today we're going to be making an apple cider bundt cake. For this, I have 3 cups of flour, 1 cup of vegetable oil, 3 eggs, 1 cup of apple cider, 1 cup of applesauce, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. I have a 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg and a full teaspoon of cinnamon, 2 cups of sugar, and we're going to be using 1 tablespoon of vanilla. Alright guys, so let's start by adding the wet ingredients to my mixing bowl. Then I also have put my 1 cup of vegetable oil in, my 3 eggs, one cup apple cider, and my sugar, my 2 cups of sugar right in. Now I'm just whisking around. There we go. So now we're going to add the vanilla. Tablespoon of some vanilla extract, guys. Don't use invitation though. Vanilla extract. Alright, so move this to the side. We're going to bring this forward. And we're going to use the baking soda, the salt, and the baking powder. Cinnamon, nutmeg, right in. Alright, so now we're just going to mix this around. We're going to get it mixed up really well, just like so. Alright, so we're whisking all this in. There we go. So we're going to put half this mix in. And just keep whisking. Now, when it's not fully mixed in, you just add the rest. And just go ahead and just whisk. And you don't even need a mixer for this, you just need a whisk. Yeah. Alright, you just go. So now it's really whisked in, and you don't want to over mix it. You just want to make sure it's combined, and that's it. That's it. And so now you spray our Bundt pan and be right back. Okay, so we're just gonna spray our Bundt pan. Spray it up really good. Make sure you get this middle spot real good so it'll come out. Yep. Okay, so let's get this into the Bundt pan. So this cake is going to be moist, and it needs to be in the oven for at least 45 minutes to 55. Hour the longest. Like this is a beautiful cake batter, guys. Look at this. Alright, so now we're going to get it into a 350 degree oven for 45 to 55 minutes. Okay guys, so this cake is still piping hot. It's been out of the oven for like 10 minutes. So I'll try my best to pray that I got this. And I don't got this. And I don't got it. It feels loose. Not understanding why she's not trying to come out. Now spray more lube in here than allow. She should just be wanting to fall out. But you know what? I'm just gonna run my knife through it. I mean my spatula. Hopefully that will inspire her to want to come out. Nope. She didn't come out all the way. So now I gotta fix it. Alright. So now we're just gonna play Jenga, I guess. I don't know. I'll figure out where they go. I guess my pan is getting. My mom's pan is getting too old for me to keep. Just gotta get a new one. Alright. Well, I like puzzles anyway, so. Puzzle her back together. But thank goodness we're gonna make a glaze for this. And it's gonna cover up any pieces that need to be fixed. Covered. boy, did I spray this thing. Alright, so I'm going to turn the pretty side over this way. So when I come back, I'm just going to make a glaze for this. And we're going to make a thick glaze. So she'll be real pretty. Alright, okay, so let's make this glaze. A cup and a half. And then we're going to get a tablespoon of apple cider in there. Oh, my fell apart. Something told me to use a spoon. My spatula died on me. Alright, so I just had a wardrobe malfunction. So I went and got a spoon. Now, splash more just to loosen it. But there's a little more powdered sugar in here. There we go. This is the consistency I'm looking for, Daddy. So it should run like this. No, I'm thinking a little thicker. Because when I put this on, the cake won't still be hot. So I don't want it too thin. I don't want it too thick. I'm going to take some elbow grease. Yeah. Oh, she really right. That. All right. There it is. Perfect. Do it again for you. Running a thickness like that. Alright. So I'm going to let this cake cool down for about half an hour, 45 minutes. We're going to come back and I'm going to add the glaze. Okay, so it's been about 45 minutes. And it's cooled down some. As much as I would like. But enough to frost. This thick frosting. And what it's going to do, it's going to melt down some and it's going to melt into the cake. It won't all be all over the place. And that's why I made it as thick as I did. I use like maybe 2.5 cups of confectioner sugar, and about 3 good tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. But you guys put as much as you want to make it your glaze as thick as you like. Look at that. That is a beauty. I'm just scooping some of that glaze that fell down around. Just put it in the middle part. She's pretty even with her little flowers that I patched up. Yep. She real pretty, guys. She real pretty. I'm gonna slice her. Okay. Alright, guys. So I'm gonna cut the bad part for myself. Just to get nice, good look at this extremely moist cake. That is moist cake. Okay. So flavorful. It's moist. Got a good crumb. Not dense. You get those spices. Look at that. It's like when you get that apple from the apple cider and from the apple sauce. It's a deep, intense flavor, guys. Oh my goodness. It is so delicious. Guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And as always, guys, have a wonderful day. I'll see you in the next video.